Hey, David Wayne here. What you're looking at are remains, things that I've plucked off the ground from the Manville Dam in Manville, Rhode Island, which is actually Cumberland, Rhode Island. This place used to be called the JTC Mil, and around the turn of the century, 19th century, it was a manufacturer of textiles and crystal fuses. Textiles being eventually, before World War I, they were producing the fabric that went into tires. Okay, so that was big for World War I. And as the story goes on, in 1955, this place met its demise through Hurricane Diane and a fire. So just like every other place we find, a place that no longer suited the narrative, they pulled the plug and there was a big fire. I just wanted to show you some of the finds that I've had from this area. The Manville Dam, JTC Mil Building, and we'll start over here with this brick. I've shown some of these before, so I apologize if some of you are seeing the same things, but I promise you there is some new stuff here, so bear with me. See the interior of this brick. Turned color. I'm just going to show you some of the stuff, and I ain't going to call it other than what you see. It looks melted, and it has bricks. So that's what I'm showing you. When you look at this brick here, it almost looks like it's been vitrified, right? It's just, I don't know, maybe there's some fuses or something within the melt. This piece right here, some kind of coral looking piece. And it has, smooth concrete appearing on it as well. This piece I've shown before. It's an actual brick, melted, and as many would say, popcorned. As you can see, it has the popcorn appearance there. Popcorn brick. This one here, as you can see, it's all smushed, right? What happened to this brick? There's cement in it. There's other brick material. It's just stuff that I cannot identify. Possibly steel in here too. Just a mess. See this brick here? Same kind of thing. This little brick is real heavy. But, that side looks like a rock. That side looks like half brick, half rock. This side looks like brick. It's a brick. This one here I come across, I haven't been able to locate what the symbols mean on it, but yeah, I haven't found very many of these, only in two places, here and at Fort Adams. This is a recent find. It's the Wellington Brickworks. I found two sides. You see the Wellington, and then Brickworks. The only thing I can find online is that it was a New Zealand company. So make of that what you will. Here are some fuses, some royal crystal fuses. This is what they look like when they melted. Some of the pieces there are size of basketballs. And here's another example of the fuses melted together. Another thing I found here was string. Some kind of string. It's consistent with the textile part, right? But the thing is, all these that are there, they're petrified. Just like a tree would be petrified, This string is petrified. It's solid stone. It's stone in my hand, but it appears to be string. Make of that what you will. And then this piece here doesn't look like string. It's definitely something. It was there. Kind of resembles bone. But guys, I'm not saying it's bone. I'm just saying it looks like that. So that's the collection. So what I think is this place existed for a long time before we're told. And then it was turned into a textile mill, manufacturing of these items, they say. And then when it no longer suited their purpose, there was a subsequent fire, flood, then fire. And yeah, just like the story goes all across the world, right? When it no longer suits their purpose, there's a fire. Just like that one event back in September and, back in 2001. These fires cause a lot more damage than you'd expect to see. Anyway, one guy's opinion. You can have your own. I'm not going to get mad. I'm just showing you what I found. All right, I just wanted to show a few pictures of this place before and after the fire and flooding. And it starts with this picture right here. So I don't know if you guys can remember, but I went down there in the river next to the new bridge, which I believe is replacing this old one here. But down along inside the water here, along the wall inside, is where I found 1877, carving in the wall. And I just wanted to show a couple of things while I'm right here. So, as I approached the new bridge, about 100 yards away from the dam, right on the side of the wall down here, 1877 etched in right there. It looks like mortar all around it, like that could have been placed there. I don't know. It's there, and no one sees it. Like, really doesn't make any sense for it to be down here next to the river, especially back here. So, kind of suggests that this place used to be something else, and then they transformed it into the mill and what they needed it for. And here's a picture of, this is an interesting picture because it shows the archways that I found in the woods along the river. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you that now when I came across it. Oh, check this out, guys. Look what's on the end of the building on this side. I'm walking across just pure sand. But look at this. Archways. This is underneath the old mill building. And look up there, there's a functioning building up there. But yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 arches that I can see. Okay, so you saw that, and now as we look on top of the factory here, you see the roof is different from the photo we saw. The photo we just saw was all flat. I think this is an original picture, the way it used to look. And look, there's even more archways here. Totally different. Even the round building here with this pointed top, that's no longer there. And here's a picture after the flooding and the fires. So this is what it looked like before they demolished it. And pretty much all the bricks are still there, guys. It's just trees growing through everything. And here's one more picture of after the fire. Just all right, so that's, oh, and here are the fuses, okay? Some old manufactured fuses and what they look like before they were all melted together. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show. Oh, and there's one last thing. I showed you a brick with the C and the diamond, and it has two symbols on it. I found this online. Not sure if it matches or someone made this up or what, but this is what I found. It says Common Brick Manufacturers Association, and it has that symbol that the brick had. So take that what you will. That's what I found. Don't know. There's nothing on it besides this. Anyone could have made that up, though. And that's about it. And one last thing. Here's a picture of the actual fire as it was happening. Oh, supposedly. So, all right, guys, that's all. Thanks, and let me know what you might think.